Got a flying cat, Roxanne. He's flying. Oh my god. That cat's flying, Roxanne.
Oh, it's okay.
He's fine. He gets your energy, so if you're positive, he's fine. I know he's fine. He's just told me he's okay. Well, he didn't say it in English. He went,
Shut up. Meow. 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 Meow.
You got everything?
Yes.
Keys, hat. That's it. You ready for an 8-hour drive?
Not really.
Well, 9-10 hour drive actually.
Not really.
Either one, but hey ho, let's go. The journey from Sydney all the way down to Melbourne is around 8 hours. It's a long haul drive. I mean, everything in Australia is mega long anyway. You're looking at a minimum of 4 hours wherever you want to go. But this journey, this end of the journey is about 8 hours until we get to see Omi again for the first time in 5.5 months. But the journey of actually getting him here is been way longer than that. For example, this is the 2nd of September 2020 when we first picked up Omi. This is the first day that we met Omi, and it was the start of our family. And it was from here just an incredible journey.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
The second we knew that we were coming here, I think it was like January, February, March of last year. Because there's a lot of paperwork, there's a lot of things you have to fulfill to be able to move your animal to Australia. And I'm going to talk about that once we've got him, once we're back, once we're sorted, once we're relaxed. I'll go through kind of the nitty gritty bit and the expenses of how much it cost me to move Omi to Australia. It wasn't cheap. We're 5 hours into the drive. We've got 3 hours to go until we get to Melbourne. Like I've already mentioned, one of the downsides to Australia is they only have one quarantine space in the whole of Australia, which is in Melbourne. So any animals or plants that are being imported into Australia have to go to Melbourne, which if you have like a plant, obviously you can just get it shipped to you, but if you have an animal or a pet coming, you don't really want to. He's just travelled 2 days and then spent 10 days in quarantine. You don't want him to then spend even longer, like 2 days by transport getting to you. Like, we just want him to go there. We're there when he gets released. We can pick him up, but it's a bit of a nightmare. It'd be handy if Australia had like more quarantine facilities. We spent the night in a hotel. Had a great sleep on a lovely bed. We are going to go ahead and pick up Omi. We have to be there like 10 minutes before. Basically, you arrive at the facility, they tell you where to go. We'll show you. We'll record as much as we can. I think I might just leave this recording and then just try and capture it as best we can. And then when we get back, finally settle back at home with Omi, I'll run through the cost of everything. A breakdown, if you ever want to maybe move a cat or a dog, or move country, then it might give you a bit of insight. It's a weird feeling, right?
It is very strange.
Like I can't like fathom that he's here. Like I feel like
It's not real.
yeah, exactly. I feel like we're not gonna go and pick him up. Yeah, it hasn't like kind of sunk in. So, I mean, I'm sure it will as the video goes on. Okay, so we just loaded up the car. Had to clear a space in here because the transport cargo crate that he goes in, we have to take with us, and it's quite big. It's a big crate. So I assume when we get there, we'll drive up. They'll give us Omi in the crate. Obviously, he won't be able to come out.
Yeah.
And then once we've got him in safe in the car, we'll take him out of the crate. Just get rid of the crate, I guess. Or do you want to take that with us or keep it? If we've got to go, yeah, alright, we'll keep it. Oh, big shout out to Cupra for making this happen. They've gave me this car to be able to use, which is very, very helpful. I will be shooting it in the next couple of couple of days. The journey from the hotel to where we're picking up Omi was roughly around 40 minutes. And over the course of the 10 days that Omi was in quarantine, we didn't really hear much from them. We didn't get any photos. We'd just been told that he'd lost a lot of weight. So we were very apprehensive about seeing him and hoping that he is welfare and he was in a good state. Hey, how's it going?
Hi, what's your pet's name and what time you pick up?
Omi at 10 o'clock.
What's your pet's name?
Omi, O-M-I.
Omi, okay, cat. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
You ready? It's just here, so. So after we pulled through the gates, we had to kind of just stand and wait for somebody to come and talk to us, which was very nerve-wracking and stressful because we didn't know the situation. But thankfully somebody came over and spoke to us and told us that Omi would be out soon, and we just had to wait a little bit longer. Hey, how are you?
Hi.
Yeah, we're just here to pick up Omi, O-M-I, 10 o'clock, cat.
Right, now just get some photo ID from Samuel, please.
Yep, sure. Oh, baby.
Goodness.
Baby.
Yeah.
Yes, boy.
Maybe that's alright. How long has it been since you've seen him?
5 months.
Oh wow, that's a long time, isn't it?
Baby,
Yeah.
hey.
Hey, baby.
Omi, hi.
Hi, it's us.
Baby,
my
it's us,
love.
look. Hi. Hey.
Hi,
Yeah, he knows.
sweetheart.
Hey, boy.
Oh, I missed you so much.
Yes. We'll let you out now. Thank you.
No worries. Did you have any questions or anything?
I think that's all good. I think we just want to get him back to Sydney, back safe. And
Yeah, right. We don't feed them in the morning in case they get car sick. So give him a feed whenever you think
Yeah,
he's
we're
going to
going
take
to,
it
yeah.
fine. Yeah, that's really it. Yeah, I don't think I need to tell you anything else. Yeah, so enjoy.
thank you. I really appreciate your help. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
Have a good day. Thank you. Hey, baby. Okay, Omi collected. We can't let him out of the cage yet because we're still in quarantine. 1 second, boy. Once we get out, we can let you out, okay? 1 second.
Hi, my baby Rosen. Oh, my mama,
Baby.
my boy. Oh, my little love. Oh, you're so skinny.
Yeah, it's really skinny.
Come here, my love. Oh, my little head. I'll whisper. I missed you so much.
Oh, yes, boy.
I missed you so much. I missed
Oh,
you
baby.
so much.
Hi, baby. Driving back from Melbourne that day was very long because obviously the day before I had just driven all the way down to Melbourne, and within 24 hours I was driving back. So in total I did like a ridiculous amount of driving in a very short amount of time, which was very tiring, but our only thought was to get Omi back to the apartment so he could get comfortable, get eating, and just
Your new home?
get back being healthy,
Yes.
and that was our main concern.
Hi,
baby.
Welcome to your new home, sweetie pie. Look at that. What is that? Oh, it's a cat tree. It is.
It's been about a week since Omi arrived in his new house, his new kingdom, and he's settled in really nicely. He's put a lot of weight back on because we're back feeding him normally. But for those that think about moving your animal with you if you're moving abroad, or if you're ever moving out of the UK, we used Pet Air UK. We paid them a fixed amount and they sorted most of the issues out, or all of the bureaucracy rubbish that we didn't want to do, like the paperwork for importing and making sure he had all of the vet stuff. We had to pay extra for all the vet stuff, so he had to have his rabies vaccinations and his shots all done, which was obviously fine. and then vet visits and stuff like that. They planned, and it was very helpful, and they planned the right transport from my mum's house to the airport, and then airport to Singapore, and then Singapore to Melbourne. For those that are curious how much it cost, in total, with everything included from all the vaccine, vet visits, transport, quarantine costs, it came to around £5,000 in total. It cost to get him here, which is a lot of money, but obviously he's invaluable. You know, there is no cost that you could put on. You know, you wouldn't leave your baby at home. We wouldn't leave Omi at home either. So we put him with us. And then if we move anywhere else, then obviously he'll come with us as well. But for now, we're here in Australia. He's enjoying it. He's getting used to all the sounds and everything that's going on. We're going to go and enjoy the rest of the evening and just relax as well as he is. If you have any questions, I know this is a bit off topic. It's a bit off brand. Obviously, I do a lot of photography normally, but if you're interested, you have any questions, put it in the comments and I'll answer anybody. And if you want to, send me a DM over on Instagram. And if you do want to support me, I do currently have my presets on sale at 50%. Link is in the description. Just use the code OPTI50 on my presets linked in the description, and you can get 50% off. With all that being said, I'm not going to do the hashtag today, but create more, stress less, and I'll see you in the next one.